All right, guys. Well, the next activity we're going to do is a Wilson Wildcat Paw. And to start this, the first thing you need to do is go into Google Classroom and save the image I gave you. Or you can actually go to the internet and find your own image and save that to a folder. Um, or take a screenshot, and then you'll be able to use the image like we did with the last project with the star activity. Um, So to do this, we're going to learn a couple of different tools. We're going to start by creating a new part, and we're going to obviously, like we normally do, start a two-dimensional sketch, choose a surface, and then for this project, like the last one, we're going to use the image button, which is right here. And you have to scroll down wherever you saved it. I saved mine to the desktop, so I'm going to select the image and I'm going to open it, and I will place it right at the origin, and again lock it so it doesn't move on you when you are tracing it. Um, Remember, your navigation tools are on the right hand side, and I'm just going to orient that so it's up in a vertical position for me. And this is where we learn the arc tool. If you select that, when I use the arc tool, I want to first select starting point, and then I find an ending point. I kind of want to find the end and then the center. So the end point, and then you can move your cursor to find the center to kind of trace the outline. Again, remember all of these lines need to be connected, so make sure there's a green dot, which is telling you you're connecting the images. Then I'm just going to trace these, find a starting point, find the end point, and then just copy all the way around each part of these. And I'm just going to do one claw, so I connect it there. It's green. Uh, and then I'm going to use the next tool is the offset tool, which is right here. And this will just copy an image and make it larger or smaller. You say I started with the first claw and I can select it. Then I can make it smaller or larger. And it just traces the image there. So that's how you use the arc tool and the offset tool. I will post another video for everything else, how to you know um, change the visual so that we can see the sketch and we can extrude at different layers. But I figure that's enough to get you started.